Hi, my name is S.K. Ray. I have done my PhD from People's Friendship University, Moscow, Russia. I have done a 1-year teaching assignment in IIT Kharagpur, and after that I have joined Indian Oil Corporation R&D Center in 1985. Indian Oil today is the largest oil refining and marketing company in India, having almost 50% market share in petroleum products. Its R&D center is located at Faridabad, 30 kilometers away from New Delhi, the capital of India. Indian Oil R&D Center has over the period developed many products, lubricants, refinery processes, catalysts, additives, and other products for refinery use. I have been associated with Indian Oil R&D Center in the Chemical Engineering Division. I took part in creating the laboratory facilities, creating the catalyst division in R&D Center. I have worked in various capacities in the field of FCC catalyst development, zeolite synthesis and development, FCC catalyst ingredient development, and laboratory synthesis, scale up and commercialization. Various of our formulations has been successfully demonstrated in pilot plants and in commercial trials. Today, the FCC catalyst named Lotus 24 has been commercially validated in the refineries. We have also developed several LPG enhancing additives which contain GSM-5 zeolites, and this technology is licensed to Sud Chemi India, who are the Indian arm of the foreign company Sud Chemi. Our products are used in various refineries of India. I have taken part in patenting, prosecuting, and providing training to the Indian Oil and other personnel in the areas of patents and IPR. I have to my credit 20 patents in USA, India, Canada, and in other countries. I have 23 scientific papers published in various reputed international journals and presented in industry forums like Petrotech and others. I have also worked as the interface between Indian Oil R&D and its refineries, whereby I have contributed in implementing various R&D developed processes and catalysts in the refineries. Presently, I have retired from the services of Indian Oil and look forward to new opportunities in several areas like catalyst research, IPR and patenting, and academic assignments. I may be contacted at raysk123@rediffmail.com. Thank you very much.